press for Khachapuri. Should I?
No.
Should I press for
No.
Khachapuri? Come on, why not?
Okay, day 2. We're getting ready to go out. It's kind of cold. I mean, it's 9 degrees. It's been raining a lot and, you know, it feels we're getting ready to go out, eat something, and then we're gonna test a few things. Gonna shoot around the city a little bit. You know, have fun, enjoy. Then we're gonna see some of his friends in the afternoon, and who knows? It's cold, dude.
Cold?
Yeah. Fuck off. It feels like I brought the bad weather, because until I got here, it was actually quite nice weather, right? Yeah.
It's true.
Once I got here, I just rain and shit. We've decided to go to the Georgian restaurant because it's good, and I've never tried Khachapuri in my life before, so I have to do that. We stopped to, you know, take some pictures. Look at this. Somebody actually lives inside this. I'm not kidding. Because actually inside the houses, it's pretty cool. It's just the outside, it looks like shit, you know. This has quickly turned into a photography lesson. I know nothing about taking pictures of architecture, but trying to, you know, give a few basic information. What did you learn today? Turn your phone
Upside down.
upside down and you're gonna take great pictures. Not kidding. Yo, look at this. Look. See this? This is actually a bar, a pub, whatever. Look. This is so underground. Like, it's literally underground. But, I don't know, everything. I have a little bit of vibes, like Berlin vibes in this particular area. Feels like East Berlin. Exactly, look. Let's take a look. We've taken a few tourist pictures, and now we've gotten to the place, to the restaurant. It's called It's called Mama Manana, and look at this. Press for Khachapuri. Should I?
No.
Should I press for
No.
Khachapuri? Come on, why not? They gave us to try to test a few different things. This should be super spicy. This is traditional Georgian cheese. This is sweet sauce and beetroot. How spicy is it?
It's growing.
With
Well,
yeah.
actually cutting.
I mean, I tried it, but it didn't kill me or anything. But I don't think I can eat more. Just, you know, I just can't.
It's really good.
Come on.
It's really good. I'm eating like this.
First time.
Oh my god.
This one feels a lot like pizza, but it's totally different. It's just a shake. I'm actually eating it as if it was pizza. Yeah, I come from Italy. How about you? What do you think?
I love it.
This is good. Okie dokie, people. Khachapuri was delish. Honestly, it was really good. We've paid 14 euros for all of that. It was pretty good. We had Italian water, Italian still water, imported from Rome. Basically, it's tap water from Rome, put inside a very fancy bottle and sold to, you know, people who don't really know it. But, you know, now we're going home because he's cold, needs to take another jacket or whatever, and then we go out again and shoot some stuff, whatever. We haven't done anything. Like, I kind of edited like 5 minutes worth of footage, which is interesting, but I didn't do anything else this afternoon because the food was so heavy on our stomachs.
Yeah.
Like really
Fell asleep.
heavy. Yeah. starting tomorrow, my friend, we need to watch the way we are eating. You know, take better care of ourselves. Because,
No more Khachapuri.
yeah, because if we're not healthy, we cannot think. And if we cannot think, we cannot make fucking money. If we cannot make money, we're gonna fucking die.
Yeah, exactly.
That's the main problem. And we don't want to die in Ukraine.
You're shouting all the time.
I'm Italian. Okay, anyway, the vibe of the city is so fucking cool. It feels like you're, I don't know, anywhere in Europe. There's so much diversity and there's a lot of people around. Okay, we've got ourselves a nice cup of tea, like two very young people going crazy in Ukraine, in Kyiv, you know, just enjoying fucking life. I feel young. Look at all these flowers. It smells so good. Is that talking? Ooh, sun has come up again. I don't know what this is, but it looks so nice. It's cool. Look. Anyway, I just wanted to show you this amazing building. What's this? It's like a hotel or something?
It was an hotel. Right now it's just
A building.
building.
Okay. Spettacolo. Spettacolo, amico mio. This street. This is so cool. This is the municipality. So it's huge. Everything feels big. Love this. I didn't expect it to be like this. I don't know. I expected it to be a little bit less, but I'm very pleasantly amazed by everything that I'm seeing. I'm loving the vibe. I'm loving the city. Everything is so cool. I don't know. I cannot even focus on the camera. I'm focusing on the stuff that's happening around me. So I didn't vlog too much because I don't know, we just got lost in it, you know. Got lost in the city. I took some pictures with the phone. They're pretty cool. I don't know, I've learned quite a few things just by walking and, you know, experiencing the streets, people, everything like that. And right now we're going to drink something. Okay, introduce us to this drink.
Ukrainian sherry. Traditional Ukrainian sherry that is warm up and filled with, spiritual sherry.
Spirited sherry. All right, dude. Cheers. Reminds me a little bit of wine. How do you?
Yeah, brûlée.
Yeah, but in
Vin
English
brûlée.
it's another name.
It's brûlée wine.
Yeah, whatever. When you make like hot wine with cinnamon and all that shit. This is so, I don't know how to say it, so long, so high, so tall, whatever. So big.